Hey everyone, how y'all keeping today? It's Peter, also known as AP, and a warm welcome to this week's Lego build to come to the channel. And I am pleased to say that this is the final Lego boat that we will be building and covering from 1996. And the details are as follows. This is obviously a Coastguard boat. And a bit of a twist in the story here is that I had to source some of these parts as replacements, as it was not complete when I bought it, as it did come with the 4002 Riptide Racer speedboat, or a power boat as it's known as. This one on the other hand is 4022. So okay, there ain't no box or anything fancy, but I'm pleased to say that the instructions that did come with it is all complete, and I am happy to say we can just jump straight into the time-lapse build, as that is your favourite part of these videos apparently, from what I've been learning from all your lovely comments and all that. So as you know, I use upbeat, positive, inspiring music on these videos just so that it keeps you guys entertained and enjoying these lovely time-lapse builds that I like to do for all you great folks. You know, it's a lovely community and I appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed to the channel. But anyway, if you're new to the channel and you've not yet subscribed, I'm not going to ask you to subscribe just yet. I want you to watch the whole video through to the end, see what you think, and if you feel it's worth subscribing for these regular updates and you enjoy them, as I do these videos every week, then that'll be the time to ask. As you know, I like people to try before they commit. Try my content out, doesn't cost a thing. And thank you for investing your time in watching my uploads. It really means a lot to me. Anyway, let's get cracking. Let's have a ton of fun. And I'll see you all at the end, okay? Okay, and at last we now have the completed Coastguard boat from 1996, and I'm pleased to say that the instructions were fairly straightforward. No major damage with the instructions and all that, and I really enjoyed building this one, to be honest with you everyone. And basically this is the last video to come of October 2025, and it's the final boat to bring the 1996 range of 3 boats to an end. And as you can probably tell, these clips have worn out. These are not staying in the position where they're meant to be, so I've just angled them in the upright position, because if you look on the pictures, I don't know if the glary light will allow it, but I'll try and lift that up for you, is okay. And you can see there, the headlights, like I've got them here, is actually correct on the instructions, yet the instructions tell me to put them this way. So, go figure. Anyway, I've just followed the exact pattern on the instructions, and it kind of looks better when they're in the upright position anyway. So yeah, not a bad boat set from 1996. And if you, just in case you're not aware of these older boats, if you have only just come into Lego, or you know the newer stuff more than this classic stuff, so technically this is vintage as it's before 2002 apparently, so I've learned, you can actually clip a motor onto the bottom of this hull and it will float on water. So that's a nice touch. Just lost some air tanks there, but that's really easy to fix, and we can pose these aerials a bit higher up so they look more prototypical. And I've just put all the minifigures back in their original positions. You may have seen this before in previous uploads when I did the sticker repairs and all that good stuff, and when I did a showcase video of all my 1996 boats, and this is the final one. I did promise I'd do a build of this one, and I really enjoyed this one, to be honest with you all folks, and just absolutely gorgeous. As you know, I do plan to cover many other boats and stuff as and when I get round to it, but I thought it'd be a great month to end the 1996 trio of boats. As you know, I covered the police one back in September last month, that was under the police September theme, and I did the Riptide Racer powerboat in July, as that's kind of more of a holiday theme. So we've now completed all of the 1996 boats, same with the 1991 boats and the 1987 one. So all in all, this year of 2025 builds, most of it's been mostly boats, but I've been covering a few interesting retro builds as well. I did a couple of 2025 builds back in July, and I will return to a couple of more builds from this year of 2025 at some point, but as and when it'll be, you'll have to stay tuned for that, as I don't like to give away anything. And nearly forgot to push this firmly down, as we don't want to lose the lights, not have to reattach and everything and all that. But anyway, now that you've watched the video, and if you enjoyed it and you're not yet a subscriber, please consider clicking that subscribe button. It would be great to have you aboard, because this channel is all about, it's family friendly, it's suitable for all ages, and I do these Lego builds every Monday at 12 PM UK time. And again, if you enjoyed the video everyone, please give it a big thumbs up, could you, for me, please? I'd really appreciate it. And it also helps the YouTube algorithm get this video around the network. So I'd really appreciate it if you give it lots of likes, and let's see how far we can get this video around the YouTube network. Overall, I really have enjoyed building this one, and if you're still here and you watch the video all the way through to the end, I really appreciate your support, and I do welcome your comments and your feedback, because I do read all comments and I always welcome constructive feedback as well as positive feedback. This is a friendly channel and that's just my aim here. I do this for the purpose of entertainment, and that's another retro Lego system build of this 1996 Coastguard boat, all complete. And that's the end of this week's video. As always, keep doing the things you love, stay positive, stay happy, keep on smiling, keep on enjoying your Lego builds, and I will see you all next week. This is Peter, also known as AP, signing out, and I will see you all in the next upload. Okay? Look after yourselves, everyone, and stay positive.